Hi everyone. If you've recently undergone platelet-rich plasma or PRP injections for your knee pain, I'm here to guide you through an exercise progression which will support your recovery. PRP injections are usually given as a dosage of 3 injections. Each injection is spaced 1 month apart. So once you've completed the first and the second dose and your pain is considerably reduced, you can start the squat exercise. At this stage, you can start with a quarter squat for which you will need a good stable support. Here we are using a table, but it will be better to use a window grill at home. Okay, and to begin the squat, you must stand with your feet apart, which should be shoulder width apart. So we will demonstrate the quarter squat. So hold the surface or the window grill firmly with feet shoulder width apart. Imagine you are sitting behind on a chair and squat a little bit and come up. Okay, we will do it again and relax. Okay. Once you've completed the PRP treatment, that is 2 to 3 injections, and your pain has considerably reduced, we can now progress the quarter squat to a half squat. We will demonstrate how to do it. Hold the support firmly and this time go lower. Imagine you are sitting behind on the chair and relax. Okay. Again and relax. After 2 to 3 months, once your pain is minimal, you can now progress the half squat to a fuller squat. Again, use the support and go deeper than a half squat. And come. Okay, again. Two common mistakes that we need to avoid when doing a squat exercise. The first mistake to avoid is bending your back forwards when doing the squat. So avoid doing this mistake. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. The second most common mistake is avoid to bend your knee mid of your toe. Always imagine you're sitting behind on a chair when doing the squat. For the first 1 to 2 months, you can do 5 to 8 squats per day. Once you are comfortable, after 15 days, you can progress it to 10 squats per day. Stick to the same variation of the squat for 2 to 3 months. The squat exercise is one of the most important functional exercise which engages all the major muscle groups in your legs. This exercise not only enhances your mobility but also provides stability to your knee joint and enhances balance and strength.